on 10. Help me out here.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And we're underway for the Harmony Close here tonight at the Madhouse. Hard hit right there by the 18 of Shannon Carter. The 27 machine driven by Ralph Silver Jr. It's the corner. Hard hit here on the front stretch. Silver Jr. in the 27 machine won the green race and he wants to win this Demolition Derby. He will collect a $10,000 bonus. He's doing that for winning both of those races here tonight. Want to see some action on the mountain? Driven by Shannon Bardell, trying to get restarted. And here comes the one. Justin Long. The 0-1 of Justin Long over there in turn number 1. The 49, looking for somebody to ram. The number 11, driven by Martin Briggs, looking for some of this action with the 1 and the 49. I believe that 49 is being drove by Jeffrey Moser. Jeffrey Moser trying to keep that machine going. Into the 0-1 of Justin Long. The 39. That machine also getting some of the action. Ralph Silver Jr. just took a hard hit. Excuse me, that was Riley Grant. Just took a hard hit from the 39. Still in it. looking for someone to ram. He's going to go after the 01 of Dustin Long, but I think he missed him. The 01 of Justin Long hits the 1 machine. Oh, the 11 machine of Mark Spriggs hits the 39 machine hard. Still got the 49 of Jeffrey Moser in it. We've still got the 01 of Justin Long. We've still got the 11 of Mark Spriggs. We've still got the number 1 Solutions machine. Still in it. 5 cars left running here on the front stretch. I believe they're trying to take the 11 of Mark Spriggs out of it. Jeffrey Moser still rolling. Justin Long still rolling. Oh, Justin Long and Jeffrey Moser, and here comes the number 1 Solution. Jeffrey Moser and Justin Long slamming each other here on the front stretch, and there's the 01. The 1 car just slammed Jeffrey Moser. The 01 of Justin Long still in the event. Jeffrey Moser still rolling. And here comes the 1 machine after Jeffrey Moser. Over there in turn number 1. And here comes Justin Long into Jeffrey Moser. And then there were 3. Jeffrey Moser, Justin Long, and the number 1 Solutions machine. Jeffrey Moser and Justin Long ramming each other. Here comes the 1. Jeffrey Moser, Justin Long, and the number 1 Solutions machine still rolling. Who will it be? The 1 machine slamming into Jeffrey Moser, and here comes Justin Long into Jeffrey Moser. Three cars still rolling, trying to win the Omni Source Demolition Derby here tonight at the Madhouse. The number 1 Solutions machine goes after Jeffrey Moser, and he misses. All 3 cars locked together, slamming each other, trying to win the Omni Source Demolition Derby. Justin Long, Jeffrey Moser, and the number 1 Solutions machine, slamming Jeffrey Moser. Justin Long still rolling as well. Jeffrey Moser going after the number 1 Solutions machine. The number 1 Solutions machine slams into Jeffrey Moser. Jeffrey Moser still rolling. The number 01 of Justin Long slams into Jeffrey Moser. And here comes the another one Solutions machine. Going after the 01 of Justin Long. Come on guys, let these guys run! Let's go! 3 cars left. And the Omni Charge Demolition Derby. Who will it be? The number 1 Solutions machine backing into the 01 of Justin Long now. Make some noise, Madhouse. Let these 3 guys know. Who will it be? The number 1 Solutions machine. Or will it be the 49 of Jeffrey Moser? Or the 01 of Justin Long? 3 cars left in the Omni Charge Demolition Derby. And then there were 2. It's down. To the 01 of Justin Long and the number 1 Solutions machine. The 49 of Jeffrey Moser. Alright, little fans, let them hear it. It's down to 2 cars. Who will it be? Who will win the Omni Charge Demolition Derby? Make some noise around it! Not sure if Justin Long's machine is still running. And he gets it running back. Still 2 cars remain in the Omni Charge Demolition Derby. The 01 of Justin Long chasing the number 1 Solutions machine. Whoa! Hard contact from the number 1 Solutions machine into Justin Long, and he's still running. 2 cars remain in the Omni Charge Demolition Derby. Justin Long backs into the number 1 Solutions machine. Justin Long still rolling. Who will it be? Justin Long trying to get that front machine refired. Who will the winner be of the Omni Charge Demolition Derby? Who can get their machine refired? Cheryl Gray. Cheryl Gray meets your 540 at the bottom of the breakdown. Justin Long gets his machine refired. Justin Long will win the Omni Charge Demolition Derby tonight at the Madhouse. Justin Long picks up the win in the Omni Charge Demolition Derby. Race fans, please stay off the racetrack. Please stay off the racetrack. It's for your safety. And if you do not obey the